Hello everyone. In today's lesson, we will discuss a very important topic in Python, which is object-oriented programming. So let's comment that hash object-oriented orient, oriented programming. So yeah, programming. There is a different aspect when it comes to code. Python is a functional programming. You can program with functions. It is also an object-oriented programming, which means everything inside Python program is an object. Oriented programming, we can reuse all the objects in our main code. We can build a lot of classes and initialize these classes inside the main code, and we can reuse all the property and all the functionality inside the main code. That is object-oriented programming, and there is a other one which is procedural programming. That is next topic. We can talk about procedural programming and functional programming, but in today's lesson we will discuss object-oriented programming. So let's begin. To begin with object-oriented programming, you have to define the classes. Why we use classes? To not repeat all the operations. You can write one code and utilize this code in many different ways inside your code. Let's demonstrate this. First of all, let's create a class. To create a class, you use the keyword class. And here the name of the class, my first class. That is the correct syntax of creating a class. Now you can use inside this class variables. For example, variable p equal to 0 and variable o equal to 9. For example, 9. And you can use also functions inside this class, if and some and some take parameters or arguments a and b, and return is sum of a plus b. A plus b. You can use another function if it is even. To demonstrate that inside the class you can use conditional. Okay, let's input a number here, and if their model to equal to 0, and as in the console, even number. Else what you want to do, else and odd number. Okay, you can use also looping inside these classes, and a loop inside this is loop inside the function, loop inside the list. Let's use it for demonstration. Loop, and it accepts a list. Okay, now create for like in this and and hide and hide. Okay, this is a class, and inside this class there is a variable, there is functions with functions, and now you want to use this class inside your function. inside your main code. You have first of all you have to initialize the code. For example, this is called my first class. Now it is an initialization of S. This is instance of S you can reuse now. Okay, grant. As for example, the variable E inside the class. Okay, now when we type point, it gives you all the functionality inside the class. Inside this value. Okay, it works perfectly. This branch function inside S is even and is given need number. To tell us if the number is even. If error is even set composition of arguments. Here it's okay, you have to reference this with the cell. Now let's try the even number. Okay, now let's use the loop function. And it's S loop and it accepts a list. Okay. Let's run the code now to see. And here, okay, you have to use the cell to reference this function or this method inside the class. Okay, okay. Working perfectly. This is how object-oriented programming works. This is how in this course what is object-oriented, how you can reuse the classes inside the code. Thank you for watching.